This Bitrix24 CRM review covers my personal experience. Find links below. Bitrix24 is a powerful all-in-one platform combining CRM, project management, and communication tools. It's designed for businesses of all sizes seeking streamlined operations and improved productivity. A standout feature is the 360-degree customer view, centralizing all information and interactions for effective lead tracking, sales pipeline management, and data analysis. Visual deal pipelines help teams prioritize and close deals faster. Customizable workflows automate repetitive tasks like follow-ups and lead assignments. Bitrix24 excels with integrated chat, video conferencing, and task management, perfect for remote or hybrid teams. Robust project management features go beyond typical CRM, enabling task assignment, progress tracking, and deadline setting. For marketing, Bitrix24 offers email marketing tools, customer segmentation, and campaign tracking for targeted, results-driven campaigns. E-commerce functionality manages online stores, inventory, and payments. Competitive pricing includes a free plan for small teams and scalable paid options. While feature-rich, the platform's complexity might feel overwhelming initially. In conclusion, Bitrix24 is excellent for businesses needing a comprehensive platform combining CRM, project management, and team communication. Its affordability and versatility make it a top choice for centralized operations. Check the links below to explore Bitrix24 and see if it meets your needs. This review should help you decide if Bitrix24 is the right CRM for your team.